Hi grade 8s, I hope you are all doing well. Today's lesson is going to be a revision lesson on the plant and animal cell. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to annotate a diagram. Annotating diagrams are always really important. They help you to summarize the work and it's always nice to study from. Today's lesson is dedicated to Bharati in grade 8S and Johan in grade 8O. Right, let's have a look at the work that we are going to be doing today. Right, I want you to turn to page 36 and page 37 in your workbook. On page 36, you will see a diagram and a slightly different diagram on page 37. I want you to give both of these diagrams a heading. So the one on page 36 is a plant cell, and the one on page 37 is an animal cell. Right, now when I talk about annotating a diagram, what I mean by that is, firstly, you label. So we're going to start off at the top right, and we're going to label it, and that structure is, can you remember? It's the cell wall. Then what I'd like you to do, and it's always nice to do this in a different color, is you annotate the diagram. In other words, you don't only label, but you also provide extra information, such as the structure or the function. In today's case, I'd like you to write the function for all the structures and organelles that are found in the plant and animal cell. So for example, under cell wall, I am going to write provide shape and protection for the cell. So that is what I mean by annotate. Let's do one more label together. The next one, that next layer just underneath the cell wall, we take our ruler, we draw a label line, and that is the cell membrane. Again, we annotate and we write down what is the function of the cell membrane. It is selectively permeable. In other words, it allows certain substances in and out of the cell. I'd like you to carry on in this fashion. So label all the labels of the plant cell. See if you can figure out what they are. That's the vacuole, the cytoplasm, mitochondria. On this side we have the chloroplast. I'm going to leave that one for you to try and figure out. Then we have this one, which is the endoplasmic reticulum, and this top one is touching a little circle, which is the ribosome. So I want you to label, and then I want you to go and write in all the functions for those organelles. And I want you to do the same thing on page 37, but this time give the heading animal cell and see if you can figure out all those labels. Once you've done this, please will you take a photo of page 36 and page 37 and submit it to me on Microsoft Teams underneath assignments.